Today we have a video from Bodycam Pro, and the title of the video is Desperate Pleas from the Back of a Patrol Car.
They're saying that you're trespassing here.
I'm not. What are you?
Go back to the front of my car. You are going to go back to the front of my car and put you in handcuffs, and you're going to go to the back of my car.
Okay, for what?
Because they're saying that you are already trespassing here. Now I'm investigating you are. Stop talking.
No, I'm not. I'm not. I'm not.
And now I'm going to figure that out.
Here's
now, go to my car.
No, here's my question.
What
crime are you holding me on?
Now you're going to walk to my car and put you in handcuffs.
No, I'm not.
Let me help you out.
No, I'm not. Listen.
Walk to my car or I'm going to put you in handcuffs.
No, I'm not. Okay, listen.
I'm going to ask you one more time to walk to my car and put you in handcuffs.
What is the crime?
One more time and I'll put you in handcuffs.
If you put me in handcuffs, my tit is out. Ow! Get the ow!
She said my tit is out. Well, maybe you shouldn't have wore those clothes. Okay? Put on some clothes. Okay? Jesus. Come on, man.
What is the crime?
One more time and I'll put you in handcuffs.
If you put me in handcuffs, my tit is out. Ow! Look
how short the shirt is.
Ow! Get the off of me, you weirdos! What the? You guys are dumb. Like, my whole tit is out. Yeah, my shoe. No, my shoe and my foot. No, my whole is out. What the? My ow! Are you okay? Are you okay? No, no.
Do not move. Stop moving.
Or what? Y'all are done. You guys are done. That's insane. I want my shoe and I want my phone. And my phone.
Got your shoe. Thank you.
And my phone.
I got your phone too.
Put my shoe on my foot and put my phone in my hand. Put my shoe on my foot and put my phone in my hand.
I got it.
No, put my shoe on my foot. No. I'm like, wow, y'all really be doing this, don't you? I'm like, it's on just Twitter. Put my shoe. No. Put my.
Get in the car. Get in the car now.
Oh my god.
I love it.
So they were saying that she's been trespassing here. I'm pretty sure. She said she has triplets. I went to go look them all up, and she started walking away.
Oh. A couple of weeks ago, I think we had an issue with her trying to go back inside. So I definitely remember her.
Hey, I'm sorry. My friend Avery's in the car.
I think she's going to jail.
You said her name is Avery?
Yeah.
She told me her name is Elizabeth.
Avery.
No, she said her name is Elizabeth, is what she told me.
Well, I don't know who's in the car. Who is she?
See, here you go. Here you go. Here come the friends. Here you go. Oh, get her. Good job, friend. You can't just mind your business. You just jammed her up for giving false information. Good job.
No or no? Is there ID in there?
The ID she said she didn't have.
Emily.
Emily.
Oh, this one's Emily.
That's
Oh, wow.
Emily.
Do me a favor, just step back to the front of my car for now. Can you step
Well,
out of the road?
I got called out here.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Just go to the front of my car, out of the road.
Give me a second.
I need my shoe
So,
and my phone.
so you're Emily?
Avery?
Your name's Avery.
Avery.
You gave me your name. When I asked you for your name,
You
you said
didn't
it was
ask me
Elizabeth.
for a name. That's bullshit.
I asked you for
That's
your name.
bullshit. And I hope your camera's on.
It's on, don't worry.
That is bullshit. I said Avery.
There's your birth certificate.
Jesus Christ. What? All right.
She carries her birth certificate with her?
Even all the spellings she gave me, she said Emily was E-M-I-L-E-E.
So she still lied to you.
She still lied to me. She told me her name was Elizabeth. She said her sister's name was Emily and her other sister's name is Sarah Beth. But she still gave me the spellings of all of them.
Sarah Beth.
Actually, I am. You're under arrest.
No, you were not. That's not how
Yes,
that
you are.
works.
Trust me.
That's not how that works. You cannot take my shoe off of my foot. That is not how that works at all.
Trespass warnings. As of 2 weeks ago.
Yep.
So you're under arrest for trespassing and resisting arrest.
Did I do the trespass?
B07 Skipper.
Okay.
You're probably working with him.
Probably with him, yeah. I definitely remember her.
What's up?
Some lady,
Can I get a picture with y'all?
We are in the middle of something right now. You got to wait. Sorry, bud. Normally I would have no problem with that.
trespass.
Can I just pose right here and y'all just be in it?
No, you can do it from the front.
That's not how it works.
Hey, before I leave, let me get your information. I'm sure we have it already, but...
Yes.
What was your name?
Amber. She really a triplet?
I don't know, but she gave me the wrong name to begin with. I found her ID in her purse that she said she didn't have. And she was trespass warned as of 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
So,
she pushed me.
Oh,
That's
2
how she
weeks
got
ago?
trespassed.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So do you happen to see her inside?
Yeah.
Okay.
We took her out from the car. They saw her going through the door. They got me and we all went looking for her.
Okay.
And
All
got her out.
Perfect. Well, she's going to jail for resisting and trespassing. So y'all have a good night. Nope. Appreciate you. I didn't think it was going to turn into that.
I've never even had like a ticket, like nothing.
Okay. Then I'll have to look at, I'll have to see what the charge is, but I believe you're looking at $1,500.
Why? I don't understand.
Because you can't control your liquor.
Can this be like undone?
No, we're way beyond that. All you had to do was stay and talk to me. Let me verify your information, and we could have figured something out from there.
Can we figure something
But for you to leave and then not go back like I told you to and then fight me?
I didn't leave Seville. I walked like 2 steps away so I could hear Hannah on the phone to get my ID.
And I told you to walk back to my car.
I was just
And you refused.
to bring me my ID.
Your ID was in your bag.
I didn't know. Like, she has my other purse on her person, and whenever the girl came and said I was trespassing, she needed my ID. It wasn't in there.
Like I said, when I told you numerous times to go back to my car, you didn't. And then when I went to put you in handcuffs, after I warned you several times,
I know.
you resisted and pulled away and fought.
Okay, can we figure something out, please?
There's nothing to figure out.
There's nothing you can do for me.
No.
You swear.
I promise you.
Really?
Yes.
Like, at all?
There's nothing. You are going to jail
Why?
for trespassing after warning and resisting arrest.
Okay, can we figure something out?
There's nothing to figure out.
What do you mean?
I'm telling you that there's nothing to figure out.
Okay, can I do something? Like, is there anything I can do?
No.
Like, I'm literally, like, I'm a teacher. Like, I can't. Please?
There's nothing to figure out.
Sound like she offering some services. Stay strong, officer. Stay strong. Some might fold, but stay strong, man. Stick to your guns. Cause it sound like she offering some services, man. Is there anything I can do?
But can we come up with something, please?
There is nothing.
I know, but, like, I'm a teacher. Like, I can't.
Then you needed to think about that before you started doing what you were doing.
Like, can we please?
And you know how the modern teachers been lately with them kids. You hear them stories, okay?
Something out,
Again, Emily, I'm telling you, there is nothing to figure out.
please. Please. I know that you can help me. Please. Please. Like, I'm begging you, I'll do anything. Please. Can you please help me? Like, I'm so
She'll do
serious. Like,
anything.
I've never been in trouble before in my life. Like, I've never even been in trouble for, like, a wreck or speeding or anything. Like, can you please help me figure something out, please? Please? Like, I don't get in trouble like this at all. Can you help me figure something out? Please? Can you please? Sir?
And you're living in boots. You said your head hurts. Okay, and both your arms are sore. Okay. All right, man. Just hold on, all right? I mean, did you call EMS or you just want to get her to the...
EMS is wanting her. She wants to be seen by EMS, so I'm gonna have the EMS come up here. I'm gonna take pictures of her when we get to the jail.
All right. Sorry.
So she was trespass warrant from Seville 2 weeks ago. They saw her inside, brought her outside. She gave me a false name. I went to investigate it. As I investigated, she walked away. I went there, told her to stop, and she kept saying she's not walking back to my car because she's not, doing any crime, this, that, and the other. So when I grabbed her, she started fighting. We put her into the wall and then onto the ground. So she's complaining that her arms and head hurt. Oh, fabulous.
So, if you don't mind, I'm gonna have to either think I can touch she can sign, or you can sign for her.
I'll sign for her.
Okay, yeah, that works. She answered everything in her community.
Now she's buzzing, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll sign whatever you guys
Funny
need.
how that works.
I'll sign whatever y'all need me to sign.
Yeah, I go back for her.
Well, yeah, but I don't remember what level the false ID is.
Yes, ma'am. Oh dear. Alrighty, well.
Thanks for coming out.
Yeah, I didn't get anything other than respirations and stuff like that. She didn't want vitals.
Okay.
She did, yeah. And I asked her, but that was kind of after I told her. I was like, the officer, even if you go, he will.
Oh, I'm going.
No, but I was nice about it, but
Yeah, but I mean, sometimes you got to be straight with it.
yeah, for sure, always. And I totally understand where she's coming from. I mean, obviously, I'd want to get out of it too if I could. But
Yeah.
I was like, it ain't happening tonight.
No. What was your, I don't think I've ever seen you. What's your name? Logan? John.
Pleasure to meet you.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever seen you. Usually you're with.
I've been here for a bit.
Usually your partner's different.
Yeah, no, Joe is my partner.
Yeah.
But I'm on a shift swap with his partner.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, she's coming on.
Yep.
All right. Well, I appreciate you guys coming out.
Yeah.
Y'all have a good one.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, I need my shoe before I get out of this.
I'm gonna get it for you.
Okay. Also, I feel really bad that I slipped my hand out of this hand.
Yeah, I'm gonna put you back in those two.
Okay, that's fine. But to be fair, I'm not trying to run away. There was snot running down my face.
I don't think you were. Hold on. Put this on first.
Okay. Oh. Thank you. Did you get that out of the trunk? Not too tight. Can you loosen that one a bit?
No, they're about to come right back off. Hold on. Hang out here for a second. All right. I'm out.
What?
I'm out.
I didn't know you said.
And walk around the front of my car.
Okay, wait. First, my purse with my ID.
I already got it. Go.
Okay.
God, she's entitled.
In my hand. This way. This way. This way. Through that door.
This is insane. On my part, not yours.
Take a seat right here.
Man, I'm scared. Wait, I'm scared.
Sit.
Hey, I am. I'm scared.
Yeah, Big Bertha in there waiting on you. That's why. Put you in that holding cell with Big Bertha, boy. Oh yeah. Big Bertha, she just committed a M1, man. She ain't coming home no time soon. She getting brought in right there, right when you getting in. She waiting on you. I'm scared. Oh yeah.
I'm scared. Is there any silent people in there? Is there? I'm scared. I don't want to go over there. I'm scared. Is there any?
She was charged with resisting arrest without violence, trespassing, and giving a false ID.
Insane. Yeah, she was trying to do everything to get out of that. Anything she could do to get out of the situation that she was currently in, she ready to do everything. Everything, man. She said, I'll do anything. Oh, You know, she said, I'm a teacher. Oh, you know how them teachers been giving it up now lately, man. The teachers nowadays, they not built like the teachers that I had. You know what I mean? The teachers I had back in the day, they look like, you know what I'm saying? They like your great grandmother or something. You know what I mean? Like, it was no joke. Nowadays, them teachers is young, fresh, and willing to take advantage, man. You see what's been going on, man. It's like every month we getting a story with, oh, teacher been messing with this one and then that one and this and that. Oh, teacher got caught doing this. So them teachers nowadays, Anyway, this was a decent story, man. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.